Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DMW Mobile App registration, how to get an OFW pass. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is download the DMW Mobile App, and once you install it, open up the app, and then once you inside here, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account here, this first step after you're logging in is you will be redirected to password verification. Now once you do that, tap on continue, and once you tap on continue here, what you need to do is allow access to your phone's camera, then tap on continue once again, and then get ready to scan your password, then tap on continue. Now follow the grid lines to properly scan and capture your ID, and once you're done with that, tap on continue once again. And once you do that, here you have to wait for the application to scan and process your ID, and once that's done, you have to prepare to take a selfie. Don't use flash and ensure that your face can be properly recognized, and then tap on continue. And once you do that, after taking your photo, wait for your photo to be processed, and once it's processed, your identification details have been verified. Now tap on continue, and once you tap on continue, you have been verified and you can now use your OFW pass. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.